Have you ever spent hours debugging a piece of code, and then when you finally fix it, you're asking yourself questions like, wait, these people should be paying me more money for this. What exactly is going on? Or maybe you've gone online and you're seeing several developers making serious money, and then you're asking yourself, God, when will I make money from this development that I've been doing for all of these years? I totally get it. The tech job market can be very unpredictable, and whether you are just starting out or maybe you even have years of experience working as a developer, figuring out how to make money isn't straightforward. But don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I am going to be sharing 15 legit ways to make money as a developer. Now, some of these I have personally used, and others I have people that have used them in the past. But trust me, number 13 is a game changer. So grab a notepad, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's get started. Let's be real, learning how to code is an investment. But what is the point if you cannot turn that skill into an actual income? A lot of developers spend time building their skills, but then forget to learn about how to monetize their skills. When I first started, I thought that the only way to make money as a developer was to get a job at a tech company. And while that is one option, I have realized along the way that there are several other ways to make a living out of your development skills. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the 15 ways that you can start making money as a developer, whether you are a beginner, freelancer, whether you have been coding for a while, or maybe whether you are an expert. I would like to put these different ways of making money into different categories. The first category I want us to create is the stable income and consistent paycheck category. If you're looking for long-term stability, these are your best options. Number one is a full-time or part-time developer job. A traditional job as a software developer, maybe front-end developer, back-end developer, mobile developer, is a way to make stable income. Now, these roles offer a steady pay, benefits, and career growth. Under this category is also contract-based work. So if you prefer flexibility, contract-based work provides you with higher pay, short-term projects without committing to a full-time role. Tech startups and fintech companies usually hire contract-based workers. Under this category is also remote work for international companies. Many companies pay top dollars for remote developers, especially in the US and Europe. You don't have to relocate. Just build your portfolio and start applying. The second category I would like us to create is the active income. It is more like a work now and get paid now category. If you actually want to start making money immediately, try freelancing. Now, this is the second way to make money as a developer. There are several freelancing sites like Upwork, Total, and other freelancing platforms that I honestly cannot remember right now. These platforms help you find clients and get paid per project. For you to succeed in this kind of platforms, you have to start small, build your reviews, and increase your rates as you grow. The third way to make money as a developer is starting your own agency. If you are a web developer or maybe a mobile developer or whatever other role that you do, you can actually start an agency around your role. So instead of relying on platforms, you find businesses directly. Many small businesses, influencers, startups need websites but do not know where to start from. The next category I would like us to create is teaching. Under this category, we would have number 4, which is direct teaching. It could be consulting, it could be tutorials. You could offer one-on-one paid coaching, mentorship, and consulting services. But note that this is dependent on the skills that you have. The fifth one is consulting and technical advising. If you have expert knowledge and experience in tech, maybe in AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, or maybe cloud computing, companies will pay you for your advice. Now, this is actually great for experienced developers that have built a solid personal brand. Number 6 is speaking at events. Now, this one might not work for beginners, but some conferences actually pay speakers, and as you grow, you can start charging. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, so I am going to be having a part 2 of this video where I'm going to be sharing the remaining 9 ways that you can make money as a developer. I'm going to be sharing passive income strategies, monetizing open source, and so much more. So do well to stick around for part 2. If you found this video interesting, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, do well to share, and drop a comment. If you are looking for opportunities in Web3, I have a newsletter that I send out every week where I share opportunities like grant opportunities, job opportunities, contests, hackathons, Web3 events, and so much more. Some of the ways to make money are usually sent out in those newsletters every single week. Also, if you're trying to break into tech, check the description box for links to courses that you can take, whether it is AI, data science, and the rest. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!